The Klein Tools 81021 electrical kit is an ideal choice for both professional electricians and DIY enthusiasts seeking a comprehensive solution for electrical testing and repair. This four-piece set includes a manual ranging digital multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester pen, a receptacle tester, and a wire stripper and cutter, providing versatility for various tasks. The multimeter is capable of measuring both alternating current and direct current voltage, direct current, and resistance, ensuring precise diagnostics. The non-contact voltage tester pen is especially useful for detecting voltage between 50 and 1000 volts without needing direct contact, enhancing safety during inspections. The receptacle tester is designed to identify common wiring faults and confirm correct wiring configurations, making it easier to troubleshoot electrical outlets. With a durable wire stripper and cutter included, users can efficiently handle wires from 10 to 18 American wire gauge solid and 12 to 20 American wire gauge stranded, providing reliable performance.